Hello everyone, welcome to our video comparing SUDOTACK USB microphone and ZealSound USB microphone. If you want to know which one is the best fit for your recording needs, keep watching until the end. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Both microphones provide excellent sound quality, with SUDOTACK offering a wider frequency response. However, ZealSound microphone comes with precise mic gain control, giving you more control over your recordings. In terms of sound quality, it's a tie. SUDOTACK microphone uses a cardioid pickup pattern, which helps reduce unwanted background noise. However, ZealSound microphone's omnidirectional pickup pattern provides equal sensitivity from all directions, making it ideal for group recordings. Depending on your recording needs, either one can be the winner here. Both microphones are compatible with most mainstream operating systems such as Windows and Mac OS. However, SUDOTACK microphone can also be used for mobile phones, but you need an adapter not included. ZealSound microphone provides USB iPhone and Type-C adapters, making it more versatile in terms of digital devices compatibility. When it comes to accessories, SUDOTACK microphone provides more options for minimizing unwanted noise and vibrations. It comes with a microphone stand, shock mount, table clamp, anti-wind foam cap, USB A-to-B cable, and a pop filter. ZealSound microphone offers no noise elimination accessories, so SUDOTACK microphone wins this category. SUDOTACK microphone costs around USD 48, while ZealSound microphone costs around USD 28. In terms of price, ZealSound microphone is significantly cheaper than SUDOTACK microphone. So, which one is better? It depends on your needs and budget. If you prefer more accessories for noise elimination and don't mind paying more, SUDOTACK microphone can be your winner. However, if you need a budget-friendly option with precise mic gain control, ZealSound microphone can be your perfect fit. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching.